Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is accounting and activism. Basically, can accounting support activism? And if yes, how? This is a topic that we usually don't talk a lot. Usually, accountants and activists they are on the opposite sides, but as a matter of fact, accounting can support activism all over the place. And how can we do that? And it's not a bad idea, it is a wonderful idea. And how can we do that? On a lot of different ways. So the first one, with ESG, environmental, social, and governance factors, especially on the environmental factor. We are working very hard to create reports for ESG. And when we create reports for ESG, it is a form of activism. We are giving support to the activists, to activism, and also to the social activists. So this is our task. Our task is to provide society good ESG reports, and hope we will have a standardized one to avoid the greening report of some companies and to make them more comparable. So ESG is a huge form of activism, and accounting can support it, especially financial accounting here. Second one, then it's for activists. Boycott planning uh, is the greatest form of to have your voice heard is boycott companies. But the boycott can be more successful if we know the company numbers. The company that are struggling financially, they are more fragile and they are more susceptible to be damaged by boycott planning. And even a very large company, very wealthy, that probably they will not be affected that much if you go to boycott their suppliers or their customers, you can hurt the focal company. And companies must disclose their numbers and also their main customers and main suppliers. And it is very publicly available. So for boycott planning, if you know accounting or accounting can contribute a lot to provide this kind of info. Another one, strikes. This video is being recorded on October 2023. And here in the US, we have two huge strikes at that time. First, the Hollywood writers, they spent a strike for a month and they got a very good deal. And basically, looking at their income statements, they went to the income statement of the studios and they realized that they are making a lot of money, more money over the years. So, okay, we want our shares or we want our share of this money. Now, the automakers strike the same. The union went to the financial statements of the automakers, and they are having huge profits over the years, and the wages are frozen. So, okay, we need to talk about that. Also, some time ago, the pilots of the U.S. airlines they got very good increase in wages and also labor conditions because of that they went to the financial statements, they look at the numbers, and okay, the airline companies they are making a lot of money after COVID, and we want part of this money. So if you know accounting, you can do it because accounting can support these activism as well. And then the most important one, with charitable organization and also the NGOs. This and why? Because these organizations they are funded based on donations, and some with federal money or other state money, but most of them, they are funded through donations. And then, where will I donate my money? I will donate my money to transparent organizations. I will not donate my money to an organization that will put it into a black hole and I have no idea what the money is using. And then, for these organizations to be trustful, they need transparency. Okay, where are we spending your money? And this transparency, we can do it using a good communication approach. And this communication approach, the easiest way to do it is through a financial statement. Or if my donor is not that good in financial statements, we can provide an Excel financial report showing where the money is going. And accounting is basically the flow of money. We map the flow of money, where the money came from and where the money is applied. So that is basic of debits and credits. Remember financial accounting or principles of financial accounting, the very first classes. So that is a very good way how accounting can support these organizations. And another topic, these organizations, because they are usually lack of money or lack of funds, they need to be efficient. They need to create a very good cost accounting system to track where the money is going, to make the proper allocation of these funds, and to make it easier and efficient. So, cost accounting and financial accounting for charitable organizations and NGOs, they are the pillar of their relationship between them and the donors. So accounting is the strongest support of these organizations. And a special topic, and why this is special topic here, the healthcare system. This discussion I did with my cost accounting students last week, some days ago. And I also have healthcare major students, and they provide a very good point of view on how accounting can support the healthcare activism. Because healthcare, it doesn't matter where you are, if the healthcare system is public funded, like Europe, Canada, and tons of other countries, or they are private funded, like the US, funding is the greatest issue. So, first, we need a very good cost accounting system to save money from the state if they are public invested. Uh, but also, this particular topic of here in the US, it's private. I pay my health insurance, and millions of people do the same. And the healthcare system, they target uh, diversity, people, how to provide uh, healthcare to them. And now they are focusing, they are moving this view to a more broader view that's called affordable healthcare. So, how the healthcare system can be more affordable. And man, if we have no cost accounting system to do that, we will never know if the system can be more affordable, if we can save money or where we can save money. And then we are using it, and the healthcare companies are using it to pressure the big farms and to pressure a lot of other companies to reduce their prices and to reduce the cost to the healthcare insurance providers. And then everything can be cheaper and more people can be added into the system. So here is kind of a corporate activist. So the society is pushing the healthcare companies. The healthcare companies are pushing their healthcare providers, especially the big farms, and around everyone is the healthcare insurance companies that are the greatest provider of it all, and then they are the connection between the healthcare system and the population. So this active or accounting activism or this healthcare activism is based on cost accounting, and it is where accounting is support all of that. And to finish, another special topic, education. Well, accounting can support activism. It's clear that accounting can do that. However, if activists and the general population they have no knowledge of accounting, uh, they are they are not using the proper tools, or they are not getting the full benefit of this proper tool. Call it accounting. So if you like activism, if you are a social activist, please start learning accounting, at least the very basic, at least the how to read a financial statement, and then look for accounting course for non-accountants. That is the focus of these courses. And by the way, here in our channel, we have a playlist for that, for these accounting for non-accountants. And we have a lot of videos about balance sheet, income statement, and other very useful tools and knowledge for you to be a good activist and to get better results on your activism. Okay, guys, that's it. That is my message for today. If you have questions or comments, just email me or leave them here. And subscribe to our channel. You will be the first one to know when a new video arrives. Have a very nice day and God bless you.